In this video, you're going to be understanding how pendulum hypnosis works and how pendulum hypnosis really isn't anything scary at all. It's just getting someone to focus on something that's moving. And again, this starts to allow the eyes to focus and get them to listen to what you're saying. And that's the only difference. You don't need to use pendulum hypnosis. This was just what they used to use back in the day.
Back in my day.
Back in the day, because it was just what they thought was the only way you could get someone to focus. And it is a very simple way to focus, because when you're looking at something, for anyone watching the video, if you're keeping your eyes focused on it, everything begins to drown out. Even me looking at it now, it makes me feel very weird. I'll show you exactly how pendulum hypnosis works, because it's just another form of induction and it's just quite interesting as well. And also, this is not a specific pendulum. This is just my necklace with a crystal on it. This is not a specific pendulum at all. I literally just took it off before this video just for these purposes to show you how it works. All I want you to do is just put your feet shoulder width apart. Put your hands on your lap. Perfect. And just listen to what I'm saying. Just focus on this crystal. All I want you to do is focus on this crystal. Anything else, just drown it out other than the sound of my voice and this crystal. Can you do that? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Perfect. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out and let go. And when I start rocking this side to side, just keep your eyes focused on that crystal. That's right. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out and let go. That's right. Keeping your head straight as your eyes go side to side. Feeling that hypnosis as you listen to the sound of my voice and focus on that pendulum now. There you go. Take a deep breath in. Completely relaxing as you focus on the pendulum and the sound of my voice. There you go. Feeling that hypnosis hitting your eyelids now. Whenever you feel ready, Chloe, just allow your eyes to relax, go down into a place of hypnosis. There you go. Completely relaxing. Completely relaxing. Taking your mind somewhere relaxing, somewhere calming, somewhere soothing, somewhere where you can completely and fully let go now. There you go. Completely and fully let go now. What would happen, Chloe, if your whole body just relaxed now? What would happen if your feet were just the most relaxed they've ever been? What would happen if your knees, your legs, your thighs just relaxed down? There you go. Completely and fully. And it's just as if you are encased in a relaxing, perfectly safe place. Maybe like some concrete that's just keeping you completely relaxed, safe, and in one place. You'll stay perfectly planted on that chair, you'll stay perfectly relaxed, and you will just go deeper into hypnosis with every click, every clap, anything that you hear, any outside noises will just relax you into hypnosis that much more. That's right. There you go. There you go. That's right. There you go. That much deeper down. And Chloe, all I want you to do is just notice anything that needs to be cleaned out of your body, any negative emotions, any negative experiences, anything that you need to let go of. I just want you to allow yourself to let go of that now. I'm not going to ask you what it is on camera, but I just want you to let go of any of those negative experiences that you've been through, anything that has been holding you back, anything that can help you get to that next level. I want you to let that stuff go now. As you let that go, just relax completely and just find a way to let it go comfortably, calmly, and in a nice manner. Allow your whole body, your whole mind to let that all go now. Whatever it is that's stopping you getting to your next level, let that go now. Let that go now. There you go. Completely let it go. And Chloe, only you will know when that's completely gone. Only you will know when that's completely gone. And when your subconscious mind knows that that's gone now, when it knows that that's gone, doesn't have to guess it, it knows that what has been holding you back has completely gone now, you'll start to feel that energy coming back to your legs, your hands, your arms, your shoulders, your head. Your eyes will open when you know that that's gone and completely now. Take as long as you need. So the card just cut out as she was coming back out, which was just the wrong time. But how did that feel for you?
I feel like that induction is just really weird again.
Really?
Yeah. The last time we did hypnosis, I've never had that feeling when you've put me into a hypnotic state. Is that what I was supposed to say? Whichever one it is, like with this,
with the pendulum.
Yeah.
Really?
It's
interesting.
Just, it makes my. It's always this eye. I don't know why, but it starts to like tweak out.
Right.
And it's like there's something in it. I can't explain why.
Yeah.
But it just feels like.
It feels like it wants to close.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
But only that one. I don't know why it's not that one.
Okay. Well, the body's just naturally going to be like, right, that's it. We're going into hypnosis, and what's happening is when you're looking left to right, your eyes start to get tired. So anyone that's watching this, if you actually want to fall asleep very quickly and you're struggling to fall asleep, literally blink loads, look left to right, your eyes will literally strain, and because your eyes are the I'm not sure. I think they're the weakest muscle in the body. I think that's what it is. I may be completely wrong, but they're a muscle in your body that when your eyes relax, it's like going to sleep. When your eyes relax, you're telling your whole body to relax, aren't you?
Yeah.
So when your eyes are overworked, looking left to right, when your eyes are overworked and you're looking left to right, then the whole of your body can relax that much easier.
It was really weird for me as well. I can't remember which one it is for me, but I can only see things close up really. I struggle to see things further away.
Okay, so maybe short-sighted, I'm not sure. Or is it long-sighted? It's one of those weird things, yeah.
But staring at that, it's then horrible when my vision goes and that starts to go blurry.
Yes.
And everything in the background is blurry. And then I was like, oh, I just fucking close my eyes then.
Yeah, yeah. And that's a very simplistic way of understanding it, is literally all that's happening is your eyes are relaxing faster, which then tells your body it tells your body you're going to sleep.
I probably look like I'm being possessed in that because the way my eyes were closing, like I could feel them just going like...
Yeah. Getting tighter and tighter until they eventually closed. Yeah. Amazing stuff.